Hello everyone, and welcome back to day 2 of The Table by Chris Tomlin. My name is Mandy and I'm so glad that you are here. Sign Language Worship is a YouTube channel dedicated to teaching you how to use ASL signs in order to worship God. Housekeeping before we get started on the chorus. I am left-handed, and that means if you are right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. If you look below this video in the description, there's lots of helpful links there. And last but not least, please subscribe to the channel or check out the website, signlanguageworship.com, as all the other tutorials are there as well. Okay, so today we are learning the chorus. Come all you weary, come and find, his yoke is easy, his burden light. He is able, he will restore at the table of the Lord. Okay, so come, you have your dominant hand with your index finger out from your body here and then bringing it in. Okay, come, all you weary. So this is all. Okay, so you have your dominant hand facing out and coming around. All you weary. So you're standing and then you go to your knees, that you're weak. Okay, all you weary, come and then find. It's like you're picking something up and conveniently making an F. Okay, come and find his, okay, if you point, I do it all the time, don't worry about it, his yoke. Okay, so we're talking about the oxen, what goes around them, so we're just gonna mimic that. His yoke, and then easy is you're gonna take your dominant hand and kind of flick the ends of your non-dominant hand, okay? His yoke is easy and his burden light. So I've seen burden two ways. You can either just kind of, a weight on your shoulders, or I've also seen R's for responsibility, kind of tapped on your shoulders. So either is fine, okay? His burden and then light is just like this. Light, okay, light. He is able two fists kind of knocking down, is able. He will restore. Now restore, there are so many different signs for restore, but I'm gonna show you the simplest one. Just you have your non-dominant hand out like this, and it's kind of almost like you're refinishing a table, okay? Restore. I've also seen B to K, before and now, and there's lots of others, but I just find this simplest, so that's what we're gonna go with, okay? Restore, and then at, your dominant hand running into your non-dominant hand, the table, and then Lord, L, from your shoulder to your hip. And that's everything, okay? So let's run through that a few times. Come all you weary, come and find, his yoke is easy, his burden light. He is able, he will restore at the table of the Lord. Okay, let's try it one more time. Come all you weary, come and find, his yoke is easy, his burden light. He is able, he will restore at the table of the Lord. Okay. And that's the chorus. So stick with it and watch this video as many times as you need, and then I'll see you in the next video where we're gonna learn the bridge. Hope you're having a great day. Bye. If you liked today's video, please click like. It gives me the encouragement I need to make more. Also, don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll miss no future songs. And lastly, share Sign Language Worship on Facebook. Find a friend to learn sign with. That way, you're both more likely to stick with it. See you later.